Hello dear students, today we will do worksheet number 76. Why do we fall ill? Means of spread. Jigyasa Didi, we have learned about disease, but how do a disease is spread? Gyan, as we know that disease can be communicable and non-communicable. Many microbial agents can move from an affected infected person to a healthy person in many ways. These disease-causing microorganisms known as pathogens are able to spread through various means like air, water, physical contact, etc. The means of spread also affects the area and pace at which a disease is spread. यानी आप देख सकते हैं डिसीज किस तरह से फैलती है गंदा पानी पीने से, बाय एयर, फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट है ना, और वेक्टर से. द मीन्स ऑफ स्प्रेड ऑफ द infectious disease. Infectious communicable disease can be spread from the infected person to a healthy person by different agency means modes through contaminated air यानी दूषित हवा से. By sneezing, coughing, the microbes spread into air and enter into the body like common cold, tuberculosis, pneumonia, etc. और COVID-19 भी है. Through contaminated water, microbes enter into our body by drinking, eating polluted and contaminated water, food like cholera, amoebic dysentery, etc. Through contaminated medical equipment, used syringe, thermometer, gloves, etc. यानी कि यूज्ड सिरिंज से ही एक को इंजेक्शन लगाया दूसरे को लगा दिया तो उससे हो सकती है डिसीज. Vectors, some infected organisms like dog, cats, monkeys, and mosquitoes spread the disease to a healthy person when they bite them, like rabies, malaria, dengue, yellow fever, etc. Through sexual contacts, syphilis AIDS spread by sexual contact with infected person. AIDS virus can also spread by infected blood transfusion and from mother to child during pregnancy. Through physical contact, some disease spread when we use clothes, food, etc. used by infected person, that is scabies, fungal infection, etc. It's acquired immunodeficiency syndrome cause retrovirus, HIV human deficiency immunovirus. Method of transmission, sexual contact, blood transfusion, use of infected needle blade from mother to the fetus. Prevention, avoiding transfusion of infected blood done by checking if the blood is HIV negative or not. Always use disposable needle or syringe. Avoid same razor used in the saloons. Now let us discuss the question. What are modes of transmission of disease? So through contaminated air, through contaminated water and food, through contaminated medical equipments, through vectors, through sexual contacts, through physical contacts. Question number 2. Give 2 example each of disease that can spread through air, water and vectors. So air से होगी contaminated air से pneumonia and cold, water से cholera, dysentery, vector से dengue और malaria. Question number 3. What is the full form of AIDS? AIDS acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. What are methods of prevention from AIDS? Avoid infected blood. Always use disposable needle or syringe. New blade to be used for shaving.